Do the phones operating in your business feel like they're from the 1920s? Are you answering calls like it's the 90s?
Hello? Oh, okay. Yeah, we're definitely going to get those in later for you this week. Hold on, can I transfer you over to Ellen? Okay, cool.
Maybe it's time you got into the 21st century and upgraded your phone system. For the cost of what you're paying your current telecom provider, you can have a state-of-the-art phone system to run your business. Complete with auto attendant, voicemail, extensions, and even text messaging, let Quest customize a Cytracom cloud-based system right for your business. The phones are free, and if they ever fail, Cytracom will replace them, free of charge. Still using an old fax machine? Why not let Cytracom digitize your faxes right to your email? Worried about technical support? With Cytracom's dedicated 24-hour staff, should you need help or have questions about your system, an operator is just a minute or two away, ready to help. Like a brand new day, your customers and clients will see the difference.
Hello? Thank you for calling Online Statuary. Oh yeah, I do have a new phone. Can you tell? It's pretty exciting stuff, I know. Alright, I'll get right over to you.
Don't take my word for it. How do you like your new phones?
I love it. Wireless, can't get enough of it.
Awesome. Call or email us today and cut the cord to your old phone system.